Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert landscape page in portrait document Word 2060. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert landscape page in portrait document. Firstly, go to the page, then insert a page, press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then go to the first page and go to the layout menu, click breaks drop down menu, choose continuous. Then go to the second page, then click orientation option and choose landscape. Then we can see we insert landscape page in portrait document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.